Hi Kevin, this is Tim Border with JH Barkau & Sons in Cedarville, Illinois, 815-718-9288. You and I have been corresponding on this 2012 Kia Sorento LX. It's a V6 with all-wheel drive. I'm just going to do a little walk around on it for you, show you some of the features and benefits of it. It has a 276 horsepower, 3.5 liter V6, 6-speed automatic transmission with the all-wheel drive. It's been through our service department. It's been fully inspected and serviced. New tires on it all the way around. It is an all-wheel drive vehicle. I apologize for being a little dirty and dusty, but it's been sitting out there next to the road, so all the salt, fuel doors on the left, all the salt and dirt and dust off the road. It's a really, really nice vehicle. Third row seating, lots of room for the family. Has a good Carfax report on it. Has an 18-gallon tank. You can actually get somewhere around 324, 325 miles per gallon on this. High-intensity discharge headlamps. Let's take a little peek inside here. Manually adjusted driver's seat, cloth interior, power windows and lock. There's your release for your fuel door. Here's your stability control, your rear wiper washer, your rear wiper, the all-wheel drive lock switch, downhill assist, and then the dimmer for the dash. You have your radio controls here, cruise controls on the right. AM/FM radio with a CD, also has a Sirius XM satellite radio option. You have your USB port and auxiliary down here. The shifter for your 6-speed automatic transmission. Map lights, sunglass holder, open up the back here, bench seat, your third row seat. This has 72.5 cubic feet of storage space with all seats folded down. With just the third row seat folded down, you have 37 cubic feet. So there's good storage space in it. Seats are easy to work. And you have a 60-40 split seat up in the front also. Here's all the mats. Has 2 sets of maps with it. Floor mats. Has all-weather ones and the fabric ones. Mat pockets on the back of both seats, 12-volt power outlet in the back. Easily 60-40, like I say, 60-40 split seat, easily folds forward. Unless you're doing it one-handed, like I am. It has the driver and passenger front airbags, has the side thorax airbags and the sides of the seat. Also has all the side curtain airbags all around. Have both sets of keys and remotes for it. A full set of owner's manuals here with it. Super, super nice vehicle. Just take a little check of the mileage here. 53,860 miles. Here's all your driver gauges, all your information. Beautiful vehicle, all-wheel drive, lots of utility. Regular price is $20,990. Our internet sale price is only $18,852. And Kevin, again, this is Tim with JH Barkau & Sons in Cedarville. This is our 2012 Kia Sorento LX. V6 powered with all-wheel drive and a 6-speed automatic transmission. Look forward to hearing back from you. Have a great day.